Well, good evening, everyone. Someone can let me know that I'm live. I think I should be just about now. Um, so I'll wait maybe a minute or two for someone. Yeah, so we've got the first thumbs up. Welcome to our weekly Kaylee, our Colin Yellan Kaylee. Tonight I'm the guy that's going to be singing some songs for you, and so I want you to. It's a real honour to be in your homes, singing some old songs, some Gaelic songs, some country songs, and we can settle back together for a couple of hours and enjoy some music together. Make a cup of tea. Look what I've got. You don't know what's in this. This came with a pair of trainers that I bought some time ago. I don't think they exist anymore, but there could be tea in here, there could be wine, there could be water, there could be anything in here. So it's great to be with you once again. And I think at the start, what I'd like to say, first of all, is thanks so much for the support that you gave me over the last couple of Kayleys with regard to Macmillan. And the support that you've given, and we reached well over the total of the 2,000. I think it's about 3,000 now. So I think that remains open for anyone who wants to contribute towards it. But I think tonight I'm hoping that there'll be something here for everyone. I'm tried to make a program so that it's split with Gaelic songs, country songs, and maybe some other songs as well. So, goodness me, there's a huge amount of people here already. I better get going. So, let me start off with a song that was really popular way back. It's difficult to believe that this song is 40 years old. And it's a song that used to be on the go way back when I used to play in the band. It's a song by Gallagher and Lyle, who were a Scottish duo songwriters from Laird. And for anyone who wants a Don Williams song, he also covered this song as well. So the words are great on this song because I think they're great for everyone. The chorus goes, "Stay young, keep your wheels in motion. You've got everything that you need. Stay young with your rock and rolling. All the best things in life are free." Okay, so oh, don't you lose that light in your eye. Never too old to love, never too late to try. When somebody needs you, give them all you can give. When you're living to love, loving to live. Stay young, keep your wings in motion. You've got everything that you need. Stay young with your rock and rolling. All the best things in life are free. Oh, don't you feel like playing the fool? Just step out of line, break all the rules. Don't you let them tell you it's not for you. Don't go growing old before you're due. Stay young, keep your wheels in motion. You got everything that you need. Stay young with your rock and rolling. All the best things in life are free. Oh, stay young, keep your wheels in motion. You got everything that you need. Stay young with your rock Stay Young. That's a song that brings back memories. Great song from 1980. Stay Young. Now, if you're wondering, last time I was doing my COVID Ceilidh, I had some help from my son and my daughter, Do and Belan. So, unfortunately, I'm going to have to go solo tonight because they're both unavailable. Do's out in Aberdeen and Belan's working. Has been working today. So, but hopefully in the next Ceilidh, I'll get them back again. Just because it makes it a lot easier when you've got someone giving you a hand. Now, this goes back. I love you because you understand, dear, every single thing I try to do. Are always there to lend a helping hand, dear. I love you most of all because you're you. No matter what the world may say about you, I know your love will always see me through. I love you for the way you never doubt me, but most of all I love you 'cause you're you. I love you because my heart is lighter every time I'm walking by your side. I love you because the future's brighter. The door to happiness you open wide. No matter what the world may say about you, I know your love will always see me through. I love you for 100,000 reasons, but most of all I love you 'cause you're you. So of course that was the great Jim Reeves. So many Jim Reeves songs we could do. I want to sort of split this up as fair as I can because I know there are people that love country and might not be so keen on Gaelic, and people who like Gaelic and might not be so keen on country. So I think I'm trying to be a wee bit fair tonight and just give a mixture of everything. So let me do a Gaelic song now. Now, is the sound coming through okay? Can someone tell me, is the guitar too loud or is the balance okay? If someone can let me know. Okay. Money and down the miavara. Money and down the miavara. Gerard with me, my fine you lay or to clear and you're in spray no fair money and gold and yamula and you're in curry jawla Chairin dio chadrekin you mon mi an dod na mialulan Gyrogyd mi moi alugut na pain you lay or declared and you're in spray no feren la mon mi an dod na mialulan mi mar hol mi mar akal ngruak ikyan mar duan pras bereiken has sner ni estat kuverien man ni anton nam yavulan skurok mi moi alugut na fine you lay or declare han your spray no fern lad money anton nam yalula money anton nam yalula. That's a nice Gaelic song to do. Okay, I think someone is saying that the sound is okay, so I'm pleased about that. Okay then, so what am I going to do now? Yeah, let me do an Everly Brothers song. I'm sure plenty of you know this one. Dream, 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 dream when I want you in my arms, when I want you and all your charms whenever I want you. All I have to do is dream, 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 dream when I feel blue in the night and I need you to hold me tight whenever I want you. All I have to do is dream. I can make you mine, taste your lips of wine anytime, night or day. Only trouble is, gee whiz, I'm dreaming my life away. I need you so that I could die. I love you so, and that is why whenever I want you, all I have to do is dream, 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 dream. I can make you mine, taste your lips of wine anytime, night or day. Only trouble is, gee whiz, I'm dreaming my life away. I need you so that I can die. I love you so, and that is why whenever I want you, all I have to do is dream, 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 dream. A great song by a great harmony group, the Everly Brothers. All I have to do is dream. Okay then, it's nice to see all the usual supporting and having a wee Kaylee and hello to each other. And oh yeah, I'm seeing my cousin Danny Mackay from Ness with us again this evening. Now Danny was in touch with me this week, and just as I was making up my program for the for tonight, he mentioned to me, you'll all know that way back when we were young, during the summer holidays, we would go and visit our cousins wherever they would be, especially if they were in other villages. And one of the things we used to do in the summer was I used to go and visit my cousins on the west side, Barvas, Ballinhushal. I think I said earlier on in one of my earlier Kayleys that it was when I was on holiday in Ballinhushal in 1964 that I first heard the Beatles, and my musical life was never the same again after that. But Danny was reminding me of a time when he was up in Briaslit with us, and we were in the car together with my mother and father. And he can't remember the year. He thinks it might be 65 or maybe 66. And he said he can remember very clearly the two of us singing a Lonnie Donegan song. And I thought, Lonnie Donegan. I hadn't really thought of a Lonnie Donegan song, because Lonnie Donegan was the guy that started the whole, even before the Beatles, the old skiffle. This one's for you, Danny. Brings back memories, I guess. I'm sure you all remember this one of a certain vintage. Oh, sweet 16 goes to church just to see the boys. Laughs and screams and giggles at every little noise. Turns her head a little, turns her head a while, but everybody knows she's putting on the style. Oh, putting on the agony, putting on the style. That's what all the young folks are doing all the while. As I look around me, I sometimes have to smile, seeing all the young folks putting on the style. Well, the young man in the hot rod car, driving like he's mad, with a pair of yellow gloves he's borrowed from his dad. He makes it roll so lively just to make his girlfriend smile, but she knows that he's only putting on the style. Oh, putting on the agony, putting on the style. That's what all the young folks are doing all the while. As I look around me, I sometimes have a smile, seeing all the young folks putting on the style. Oh, the preacher in the pulpit roars with all his might, sing glory, hallelujah, puts the folks all in a fright. Now you may think it's Satan that's coming down the aisle, but it's only our poor preacher boy putting on, come on now. Oh, putting on the agony, putting on the style. That's what all the young folks are doing all the while. As I look around me, I sometimes have to smile, seeing all the young folks putting on, one more time I think. Oh, putting on the agony, putting on the style. That's what all the young folks are doing all the while. As I look around me, I sometimes have a smile, seeing all the young folks putting on the style. Putting on the style. Okay, that one's for you, Danny. Okay then. Let me have another wee. I've had a few messages over the last while of people saying that really enjoyed some of the songs that I was doing, and I was delighted to hear via Willie Cameron a message from my old mate Donald McCrae in Glasgow. He said he really enjoyed the Gaelic songs that I did. So as a special request, one of my favourite, in fact I did it before, but it's really one of my favourite Gaelic songs. And this one is especially for Donald, a real legend in the Gaelic world, a legend and legend in the Park Bar in Glasgow all these years there. Many a great song he sang. So this one's for you, Donald. Hope you're keeping well, and also for Willie Cameron as well, who sent the message on his behalf. So I'm hoping that you'll be able to maybe let Donald hear or see a recording of the evening. So this is Ari Valachro. Like yours, me five and light, a jari fair and groy. Kun heil me mule, yet fjeng the mount, park of round they go. Van ich go, the tannin chum, smach Rod yn hacher am y grwag o chwan ad I falach o. Yswgi cyreng o gynnal gyffag i'ch feg yn sgod. Yswgi'r am mi an y taf ysgyl yn lan yn iol. Gyffain liabu hyn am la gelad y chal yn iol. Gyffain biag ys joch ys bai ad I falach o. Is lian for oss a fais van de rug nach hak is yn glod. Is lian for a moi John Machop you nach Jeff a clue and hole. Akriaf Hatagos Galeros Fagruk no yer poor senor. Hoffin al down and gruesome wa rimari valachro. Mohori slan gyrog brach na pardichas na strod. Haia vairai nam chain yng ngras briar yn gwabion. In mai cylan degul a knaf gynghader mi von och. Von grwag a chwan y gwysg mogan rad I falachro. Sit dan I schuft gooid. Hwle bianach. Okay, how we doing? I can't keep up with all the messages coming in. Just can't keep up with them. Okay, now what have we got next? Okay, so this is a well-known song from way back that we used to do in the band, an old Bob Dylan song. Clouds will swift, the rain will lift, gates won't close, the railings froze. Get your mind on winter time, you ain't going nowhere. Ooh, ride me high, tomorrow's the day my bride's gonna come. Oh, are we gonna fly down up your tent, you ain't going nowhere. Ooh, ride me high, tomorrow's the day my bride's gonna come. Oh, are we gonna fly down in the easy chair? Buy me a flute and a gun that shoots, tailgates, some substitutes. Strap yourself to the tree with roots, you ain't going nowhere. Ooh, ride me high, tomorrow's the days my bride's gonna come. Oh, are we gonna fly down in the easy chair? Genghis Khan could not keep all his things supplied with sheep. We'll climb that hill, no matter how steep, when we come up to it. Ooh, ride me high, tomorrow's the day my bride's gonna come. Oh, are we gonna fly down in the easy chair? Ooh, ride me high, tomorrow's the day my bride's gonna come. Ooh, are we gonna fly down in the easy chair? So that's one by Bob Dylan. Okay. Okay, how are we getting on? Nice. Quite a lot of people here tonight. See how long I can last. Now then. Someone asked me to do a request for this song that used to be doing the rounds all these years ago. You'll all know it. Please help me, I'm falling in love with you. Close the door to temptation, don't let me walk through. Turn away from me, darling, I'm begging you to. Please help me, I'm falling in love with you. I belong to another whose arms have grown cold, but I promise forever to have and to hold. I could never be free, dear, but when I'm with you, I know that I'm losing the will to be true. Please help me, I'm falling, that would be sin. Close the door to temptation, don't let me walk in, for I must want you, but darling I do. Please help me, I'm falling in love with you. That's an old one by Hank Lachlan from, I think, probably the early 60s. If anyone's got any questions about any of the country songs, put them up and Danny, my cousin, will answer them. Now, what's the next one that we've got on the list? Yeah, I did this a while ago and I really enjoyed it. It's a humorous song about Clanyan Movala, a Gaelic song. And I think probably Ness Girls maybe when they went away to Glasgow. And after being away for a wee while, when they came back home again, they wouldn't look at any of the boys from the village. You know, you had to be pretty posh for them to look at. Okay, so this is Clannion Mavale. Clannion Mavale, hat an the glaster, hate me or shacket, and you me for Clannion Mavale, kachikat nam hor. Heet me dan raai je fisker je saarn bim me schele kakrik an nai me chor Clannion Mavale kajikat nam chor Kajulo marichen na binyo plachat marelen at falles an yochu horo Clannion Mavale kajikat nam chor O bi poke the garden the key the scan some poke janai he footer is rouge Clannion Mavale kajikat nam chor Clannion Mavale hatam am the glass that hate me or shacket and you me horo Clannion Mavale kajikat nam chor Bi kraken de lati kujak menavi es Clannion kan falles of wolim en roin O Clannion Mavale kajikat nam chor Cheak te vrygud mieux marmoilar les chiopon je futar palafar stroj O Clannion Mavale kajikat nam chor Clannion Mavale atavam en lasmu nered me or shacket an yoch me horo Clannion Mavale kajikat nam chor Clannion Mavale. I don't know if it was Ness, was it? I think it was. Was it written? I think the song was written by someone from Ness, if memory serves me. I'd really like to thank you all so much for supporting our Céilís here every weekend. And it's really great and encouraging for us to do it. I mean, some of us are sitting all on our own in our room here, and it's good to have this conversation going. And you don't get that with pre-recorded stuff. It's good to see people actually just speaking with each other and probably ignoring me for a lot of the time, but coming in if there's a song that appeals to them and they want to listen to it, and maybe they might be going out for a cup of tea and stuff like that. Now, a good friend of mine got in touch with me this week from Tongue, Isabel Grant. I hope Isabel is listening tonight. And she's telling me that she's down with her Auntie Agnes, and we really miss Agnes down in England with her daughter. And her daughter, Mary Cook, remembers me from way back in the old Cabber days when we used to play there, the Island Express. And she's asked a request she's a huge fan of Bruce Springsteen. And she's asked if I would do a Bruce Springsteen song. Now, normally my son usually plays the Bruce Springsteen songs with me, but I think I'll just go on my own tonight, because this is one of my own favourite songs, and we did it a couple of, last time I think we were on here. Tougher Than the Rest. Well, it's Saturday night, you're all dressed up in blue. I've been watching you a while, maybe you've been watching me too. So somebody ran out, left somebody's heart in a mess. honey, I'm tougher than the rest. Some girls, they want a handsome man, or some good-looking Joe. On their arm, some girl likes a sweet-talking Romeo. Well, around here, baby, I learned to get what you can get. So if you're ready for love, honey, I'm tougher than the rest. Oh, the road is dark, and it's a thin, thin line, but I want you to know I'll walk it for you anytime. Oh, maybe your other boyfriend couldn't pass the test. Well, if you're up and ready for love, honey, I'm tougher than the rest. Well, it ain't no secret, I've been around a time or two. Well, I don't know, baby, maybe you've been around too. Well, there's another dance. All you've gotta do is say yes. And if you're ready for love, honey, I'm tougher than the rest. And if you're up and up for love, honey, I'm tougher than the rest. So that's for you, Mary. Hope you enjoyed that. A song by Springsteen, Tougher Than the Rest. Okay. Yeah, we're getting through the songs tonight, okay. Another oldie that someone requested me to do. Can't remember if I did it on any of my other Kayleys or not. Maybe someone else did this, I can't remember. I'm tempted, my darling, to steal you away. So help me, my darling, stay out of my way. You know that I love you, but I'm not the cheating kind. But I'm faced with a heartache, love's cheating line. Don't let me cross over love's cheating line. You belong to another, and you'll never be mine. I know one step closer would be heaven divine. Don't let me cross over love's cheating line. I tried to forget you, but what else can I do? When your eyes keep saying that you love me too, I know if I lose you, not a dream will I have left. I don't want to cheat, but I can't help myself. Don't let me cross over love's cheating line. You belong to another, and you'll never be mine. I know one step closer would be heaven divine. Don't tried to forget you, but what else could I do? When your eyes keep saying that you love me too, I know if I lose you, not a dream will I have left. I don't want to cheat, dear, but I can't tell myself. Don't let me cross over the love cheating line. You belong to another, and you'll never be mine. I know one step closer would be heaven divine. Don't let me cross over love's cheating line. Yeah, don't let me cross over. Another one from years gone by. Okay, there was another Gaelic request, so another Gaelic song, I think. A favourite of quite a lot of people. I think Donald McRae did this one as well. Tom Kennedy certainly did it. How are we getting on? Cheers from Ontario, Canada. John Frischetti. Hello, Harridge. Megan MacDonald. Happy birthday, Nan Stirling Square. Alison MacLeod. Fab song. I don't know which one that was. Hello, Callum Clutch. Hope you're keeping well from Nan Smith. So I'm seeing the old faithfuls on here. I think I saw Danny keeping everyone right with one of my songs. Probably telling people the year it was done and who did it and stuff like that. Barbara, is that my cousin Barbara down in Edinburgh? I can hear you for sure. Can you hear me singing? Hold on. Yeah, I can't really hear you, Barbara, at all. Anyway, let me do this song and see how we get on with it. Gebair einen Ort legalas Gachrobes Paus Peter a pilot golet borden Seen vi sjolig skyes en glein Nu det kjolig macha glasru Sarn gematra Chudi kurs feren hasin Slik sin sorry legachai Slik sin sorry lejneoli Like a bronjach kahulan Sket the Sjolig sang Haiora tolkusang Vamaskaskilin Jagausam Stjöganai Kavai Toro Snurre Chaya Chuna Kaila Janus Taram Erim Yun Vaigana. Vajechana Guasna Tailik Namam the Lone Sadigemeras Vegan Nushkape Salyon Tekst du bjørn Namige Akamaun som Døser regn machen har Hadik dønnen gjellan lovish Nach ik av mega Oh, it's like boy, I surely a small young, my hell is to get to acknowledge, Shashin Jorna Langas, Jenny Shagai, Uvelang Iota, Gianu kursa chida chidan fatta ha Oran Chayora. Dolana. But Dolana can hear Barbara. I can hear you. You've got the Martin voice also. Next time you're up on the island, Barbara, we need to get you down. Come along with me. The cousins singing together. Okay then. Wouldn't be complete evening without a Creedence song. Someone told me long ago there should come before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, it'll rain a sunny day. I know, shining down like water. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. Yesterday and days before, sun is cold and rain is hard. I know, been that way for all my time. Till forever on it goes, through the circle fast and slow. I know, it can't stop, I wonder. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. Great memories of the Creedence way back in the day. Playing on the jukebox in the Lido, Rendezvous Cafe. Big favourite with everyone and all the people that used to go to the dances way back then. I'm sure there's plenty here that remember the dances when the Carltons were in full force. They used to look forward to going and seeing them, because what they used to do was the latest song that was in the charts, Donny Caesar would learn it during the week and he would perform it in the town hall, in amongst all the fights and everything else that was going on. Yeah. Now then, also I can't not do a song from my good mate Duncan Norman, a Chris Christopherson song, very romantic song. So how are we doing time-wise? So goodness me, that's us nearly up to the first hour, and I'm not doing too bad. Haven't started fading yet, but it could happen any time. So be ready. This is a slow one. Take the ribbon from your hair, shake it loose and let it fall. Lay it soft against my skin, like a shadow on the wall. Come and lay down by my side till the early morning light. All I'm taking is your time. Help me make it through the night. I don't care what's right or wrong, and I don't try to understand. Let the devil take tomorrow. Lord, tonight I need a friend. Yesterday is dead and gone. Tomorrow's out of sight, and it's sad to be alone. Help me make it through the night. I don't care what's right or wrong, I don't try to understand. Let the devil take tomorrow. Lord, tonight I need a friend. Yesterday is dead and gone, and tomorrow's out of sight. And it's sad to be alone. Help me make it through the night. That's a slow one. Okay, time for another Gaelic song, I think. Yeah. Let's do our Runrig song. Lucky shut na parnik, you seek me na sin a barnic, a quadra brennan cuttican, cagni sin a barnic, na barnic, na barnic, scully sin a barnic, and mother brennan cuttican, a hill and mo, autumn, mo, eric, a sick, my hill and mo, autumn, bell and a cuttican, the hill and mo, autumn, eric, a sick, lucky should na barnic, a sick, me, na cuttican, scully sin a barnic, na barnic, na barnic, scully sin a barnic, and mother and a cuttican, scully sin a barnic, na barnic, na barnic, say sin let time on the crack and rain and cuttican, by hill and mo, autumn, eric, you sick, by hill and mo, autumn, hill and a cuttican, by hill and mo, autumn, eric, you sick, lucky should na barnic, you sick, me, na cuttican. Okay, so that's a running song, that. Now, what else was I going to do here? Something here I was going to talk about, I just can't remember. If I don't write down these things, I'll just forget them completely. Yeah, this is my... Okay, now, Danny earlier on spoke about when we were together doing the old Ronnie Donegan song. And I don't know if another pal of mine from Briascley, Jacob, is on, but he said way back, I think maybe a couple of Kayleys ago, that he remembers the first performance that I ever did on guitar at Briascley Bridge. I was thinking about that, Jacob, and I do remember it. I'm trying to think what year it was. Any idea? Because I remember being down in the bridge one night. I remember it being dark. I'm just wondering, was it that Lonnie Donegan song that I ended up doing? And way back in those days, we used to go around the village and have good crack going around the village. And that must have been pretty early on when I just started playing the guitar. I remember even before I actually started playing the guitar, I used to play the comb and a piece of paper. I was really into the music. So, Jacob is watching, is he, Danny? Can you remember, Jacob, when that was? There's also another guy, I'm hoping he'll be listening tonight or tuning in, another good friend of mine from Briascley, Ken MacLeod, Buster. And if Buster is watching, we've got two experts on country music because he spent years doing a country show on Radio Tay. And it was great to meet up with him recently. He came down the studio, and we hadn't probably spoken for well over 40 years. And I remember when he used to stay in Stonefield, and I'll tell you a wee story about that. The first job that I ever had in my life, I was 14 years of age, 14 or 15, 1967, when they were building the houses in Stonefield. And labouring with me was Ken. He must have been doing it in his summer holidays. And the other guy that was labouring with me at the time was Shonian, who's Jacob's father. And the three of us used to, slave labour, we used to haul slates up onto the roof. So every time I go past Stonefield and I look at the roofs, all the Welsh tiles, it brings back the memories that I had of when I was working there all these years ago. But the one thing I remember about Johnny, and he was always skiving away down to the net that he had, the salmon net that he had. He would always disappear. So I don't know if you remember that, Gary, but I remember that very clearly. And I was so tired when I went home after work and hauling slates up onto the roof that my mother just did my tea for me and I would just go to bed. I was completely shattered. So that's a great memory. And of course, we go back to the times when Ken used to give me a lift across when I came to the castle in Stornoway. We used to go over and stay there. So great memories. It was great to catch up with Ken once again and reminiscing and talking about our trips across to Nashville. Ken's a great authority on country music as well. So, yeah, that's good. So I'm going to have a wee bash at It's always a bit of a chance doing something like this. Let me see. A Willie Nelson song. Okay. Let me tackle this thing here. Oh, dear me. Maybe keep the cap on at the same time. You'll have to picture Willie singing this song, so I'm going to... You'll know it. In the twilight glow I see her, blue eyes crying in the rain. When we kissed goodbye and parted, we'd never meet again. Love is like a dying ember, only memories remain. Through the ages I'll remember, blue eyes crying in the rain. Someday when we meet up yonder, we'll stroll hand in hand again in a land that knows no parting. Blue eyes crying in the rain. That's a nice Willie Nelson song. Blue eyes crying in the rain. Oh. Right, what have we got next? Oh, yeah, I'll tell you what I was going to say. But a new album that's being released today. In fact, it was released today, a collaboration that I did with Craig Armstrong. He's quite a well-known composer, and I'm really proud of this album. So if you're into sort of classical and Gaelic psalm singing, check it out. And one of the things that I would really be appreciative of you is if you see down on the bottom of my screen there, I've got a YouTube channel. So I would love it for you to subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost you anything. So if you could subscribe to my channel, this is the sort of thing apparently that you need to be doing nowadays. Because I've got to try and see if I can get subscribers up to 1,000. I think about 900 and something at the moment. And apparently this is the sort of thing that you need to be doing. So when you get to 1,000, I don't know what happens, to tell you the honest truth. But it'd be really good for you to, if you could subscribe, there it is, youtube.com/Leum Music, Leum Music. So that's my plug for the evening. If you can, after we're finished, if you go on anytime and subscribe to it. And on that channel, there's all sorts of wee videos and things that I've done, and my psalm singing workshop, which I do every Tuesday. So if you're interested in that, they're all on there. So it would be great. I would really appreciate it if you subscribed, so that there's loads of people subscribed to it, and I haven't got a clue who they are or where they're from. So it would be really good if I had plenty of people subscribing from the islands and from people that I know. Okay then, now, how are we doing time-wise? Oh yeah, we're just over the hour and 10, so we're doing no bad. Let's do I did this a while ago as well, I'm pretty sure. When I'm 64. I did this for Boyan a while ago because I think he was I think he was 64 or somewhere around that sort of area. For those of us who are past it, remember when we were really young, we used to think 64, man, that's really old. The years fairly go by. So now for those of us who are over 64, we think about this. When I get older, losing my hair, many years from now, will you still be sending me a Valentine? Birthday greetings, a bottle of wine. If I've been out till 2:45, would you lock the door? Will you still need me? Will you still feed me when I'm 64? I could be handy mending a fuse when the lights have gone. You can knit the sweater by the fireside. Sunday mornings go for a ride. You in the garden, digging the weeds. Who could ask more? Will you still need me? Will you still feed me when I'm 64? Every summer we can rent a cottage on the Isle of Wight. If it's not too dear, we could scrimp on sand. Grandchildren on your knee. Vera, Chuck, and Dave. Send me a postcard, drop me a line, stating point of view. Indicate precisely what you mean to say. You're sincerely wasting away. Give me your answer, fill in a form, mine forevermore. Will you still need me? Will you still feed me when I'm 64? Will you still need me? Will you still feed me when I'm 64? That one's for you, Boyan, if you're watching. When I'm 64. Okay, now, what have we got now? Oh yeah, going to do another Runrig song, been requested. She the Naram. Okay. And ye to love even your betid moira shield sonne she side to the array a misnal the sun uit morgen met in huur. Het palmoor kruin als koude binje, spallen kuren pannen kom, a koude madde, haringo. Baje gachinen dat I'm haringo. Your love, but she, Lord, I shall be on. You got to honor, Troy's bed and it's hard con. Get up there, short and like a pie. Oh, honey, no. Why'd you get cheated and that I'm honey, no. This leven jacht Foskelsu, Hans Gachlein Mogoyen that I'm stop again a coach and shagan, spin no get killing it, oh, honey, I just the cheat and that I'm honey, Hajit me kunnen read. Hajit me je gonna happy. Only now the betting all. Hashes me action sheen and yelan. Oh, hodinyo. Baje gachin and that I'm hodinyo. Baje gachin and that I'm hodinyo. Sheen and that I'm. Okay. Now, this is another request that someone had asked me to do. I think tonight I've covered quite a few of songs that I've done before, because right up to this concert, I think all the other ones that I didn't repeat any songs. I think it was up to 90-something songs. So tonight I've gone back on a few that people have asked me to do and tried to ration it out fairly with Gaelic and country, and also some songs from the 60s that we all remember and love. And this is one that I really, really like by another duo, Simon and Garfunkel, Sound of Silence. So let's try that one. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walk alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp. I turn my collar to the cold and damp. Oh, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence, and in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share. No one there disturbed the silence sign flashed out its warning in the words that it was forming. And the sign said the words of the prophet are written on a subway wall, and tenement halls whispered in the sound of silence. It's a great song, that. Written by Paul Simon when he was in London, I think in the early 60s. But it still holds today, and it's just an amazing and a great song. Completely a great song. Now then, there's another Donald McRae song. So if you're still up and about, Donald, this is another one for you. Because I remember you doing this one. It was one of your main ones, I think, in the old Park Bar days. How are we getting on anyway? People are still staying. I thought maybe by now things would be tailing off. I'll try and see if I can keep going for a wee while yet. Okay. Hadid gebracht, eine go, san orst, the vis me keine gein, ka gein luches roje, in your keine gut, a grua ka gaun en klein you me. She So that's another really nice Gaelic song. So it's really a real delight to be able to, and an honour to be able to come and be with you for these COVID Céilís, because I think they've proved very successful, and the Cóilín should be congratulated for putting this on, because they get a hard time, most of the time, people giving them a hard time about all sorts of things. But when they do something like this that has proved so successful, I think they should be applauded, and also all the people that are giving off their time and talents to perform. We're more than happy to do that. And this evening, especially for those who are maybe very lonely on their own in the houses, and I like to think, especially at this time, all those who are in homes and those who are in hospital. So a special hello to everyone that's watching tonight from any of the homes throughout the islands, and hope that you'll, if you're in hospital, that you get well soon and that you're able to come back home again. And for those of you in the homes, I'm hoping that this couple of hours that we're together singing some songs, old songs, will bring back memories and of times gone by. We should always remember the huge privilege that we've had in being brought up on an island like this in our villages, where we were able to visit and have parents that were so loving and great to us. And the time has just gone by, and it's a different world that we're living in now, but we like to remember all these happy times that we had. Okay then, now this is a song that was also requested. Danny will probably tell me, 500 miles away from home. Is this a Bobby Bear song? I think it probably is. Or is it a Tom T. Hall one? Teardrops fell on Mama's nose when I read the thing she wrote. She said, "We miss you, son, we love you, come on home." Well, I didn't have to pack, I had it all right on my back. Now I'm 500 miles away from home, away from home, away from home. Oh, 500 miles away from home. Okay, now I had another request actually, and it's another Runrig song. They're so popular, all the songs that Runrig have done. History will, I'm sure, record that what we had in Callum and Rory were the Gaelic equivalent of Lennon and McCartney, because all the songs that they have written over the years and how much they have contributed towards Gaelic music and music of Scotland, and how proud we should be of them and everything that they've done. And this song is a song that reminisces of days gone by again. And like I mentioned before, when we were young guys, and I was over in that village of Briascleit, we used to, well, we didn't have any television way back then anyway. That only started coming in a lot later. We used to spend all our time going around the villages. And sometimes we would venture all the way down to Tolstachurlish. That was a long way to go. And when we got a wee bit older, and Doon school was closed and was made into a hotel, the older boys used to head down to Doon Braes, but we were much too young to be able to go to Doon Braes. And on some occasions, I don't know if anyone here is going to admit from Briascleit that was with us on our wee trips that we used to occasionally take down to Doon Braes and get some of the boys, I won't mention who they were, to get us a couple of cans of sweet stout. And I still remember coming back from there and my parents being away at the communions down in Shawbus, and every car that came by we used to jump in the ditch so that they wouldn't catch us heading back, because they would have known full well where we had been. So they were great days. And you know, this song also talks about the shilling as well, Fallis and Nari. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put two songs together here, Fallis and Nari. And I usually don't end up singing any of my own songs because really Nights Like Tonight really are for songs that you enjoy from the past and stuff like that. But there's nothing wrong with maybe doing the occasional one. And so I'm going to maybe do a wee medley together of Fallis and Nari and a song that I wrote, Nar Balla, which talks about what I was talking earlier on about when we used to wander around the villages together, and we used to play football, and we used to go down and to the Cregach to get Cuddichans Liu and things like that, and playing Balcosh in the Builchan. So, Fallis and Nari. Fallis and Nari, Fallis and Nari, London way, Canavai, and Nadine Cajun Agnion Arkaina Geri, Agnion Arkaina Geri, Shuas Rajan Duikal, Trovalchan Sulke. Scientan plan, Nian Seigneur Marial Ceno, Hanguan Marsa, Hancorom Kunsko, Tobion, Pinuishlan, Hockey Shinyar Phone and Father smajan Kaina Chimoy Kashach Gala Iraicha Fuarod Carriage and Corain Trigvishin Rispor Arpade Choshesvo Is Herabsoch Nagoy Toder Ashalma Prishol Les Loin Nachilpio Begraig Kainas Yar Nochim Toko Hanishjin Kumara and Solchadabon and Hogalalakin Narpalsulam Bal kosher na buljan Saurix blionu Iasgach sa chlatach San kudigan sliw Ichach an plodjan Tuanach is kaul Kudig jin gachi Astag shall haul Shalma Prishol Exloin Nachelpio The Graig is Kainas Yar Nochim Toko Anishjin Kumada and Solchan Okay, so that's a couple of songs reminiscing of the days gone by. Okay then, now, I noticed someone actually mentioning something there in the comments. I sometimes maybe give the impression that I'm a Briaslet boy. And I suppose really part of me is, but I was actually brought up just over the border in Callanish, a place called New Park, Callanish. So a lot of people from Callanish always give me a hard time and say to me, why are you always saying that you're a Briaslet boy? But I was only really like about 200 or 300 yards from Briaslet School, you know, so I suppose the border was the bridge down at Briaslet by the school there. So yes, you're absolutely right. I don't know who it was that mentioned it. But yes, New Park, Callanish. That's where I was brought up. Allcote, New Park, Callanish. So any of you who have bought the album that we did for the Macmillan, the Allcote Connection. Allcote was the name of our house, our little corner on this earth. And that house is just a couple of 100 yards from the school in Briaslet. So that's where I spent the first 18 years of my life. And that's where I spend most of my dreams. Every night I dream. I've been living here in Tongue, just outside Stornoway, for well over 40 years. And isn't it strange that I hardly ever dream about Tongue? Sorry, Tongue. I hardly ever dream about Tongue. But I always dream about Briaslet. And I always dream about days gone by. Anyway, let's lift the spirit up a wee bit by doing a Buddy Holly song. All my love, all of my kisses, you don't know what you've been missing, oh boy. When you're with me, oh boy, the world will see that you were meant for me. All of my life, I've been waiting tonight, there'll be no hesitating, oh boy. When you're with me, oh boy, the world will see that Stars appear and the shadows are falling. You can hear my heart a-calling. A little bit of loving makes everything right. I'm gonna see my baby tonight. All of my love, all of my kisses. You don't know what you've been missing, oh boy. When you're with me, oh boy, the world will see that you are meant for me. Dum dum dum, oh boy. Dum dum dum, oh boy. All of my life I've been waiting tonight. There'll be no hesitating, oh boy. When you're with me, oh boy, the world will see that you are meant for me. Stars appear and the shadows are falling. You can hear my heart a-calling. A little bit of loving makes everything right. And I'm gonna see my baby tonight. All of my love, all of my kisses. You don't know what you've been missing, oh boy. When you're with me, oh boy, the world will see that you are meant for me. Dum diddly dum, oh boy. Dum diddly dum, oh boy. Oh boy. Always lifts the spirits up, as I know. It's a Buddy Holly song. Now let me see, is this guitar still in tune? I think it's not too bad. Okay, close enough, close enough. Okay then, I think I should be really starting to maybe wind down now. So let me do another Gaelic song and maybe another couple of songs. See how we get on. The numbers are still amazing, and the thing about it is you've stayed with us all night. So there's over 700 people I can see here, and it's been pretty much that all night. So thank you so much for sticking with it. And it's a real testament to you all that you've stuck with me for this length of time. Now, an hour and 3/4, nearly heading up to 2 hours of me just singing songs that I really love singing. And I hope that you managed to enjoy or find a song this evening that you liked. And that I'll be able to come back maybe again some other time and do some songs with you. Now, I'm quite sure that you'll all come back next Friday for another Ceilidh. And guaranteed a great night. I can't tell you who it is, but I do know. So it's going to be a good night, but I'm not allowed to say. So it's going to be a surprise. Okay, let's do a song called Canan na nGael, well-known song. And let me do it the way that the Organic did it originally, if I can play it, because they were, of course, groundbreaking in their day. Noel, Donny and Margaret influenced a huge amount of people. And around that sort of time, and also the Lochies were a huge influence on me when I first of all started listening. And just going back to a story of Ken MacLeod and Buster Down, the schoolhouse, not the schoolhouse, the Key House in Briasclade. The first place that I ever heard a reel-to-reel recording was down there. I must have been about 10 years of age, so it would have been around 62, 63. And it was down in the Key House in Briasclade that I was totally fascinated by it. Absolutely fascinated by it. And then shortly after that, my Uncle Alec John, who was a weaver, used to, instead of paying me for doing the Easterchan, he bought an old reel-to-reel, and he had some old recordings of the Lochies that were done before they released any CDs. And he used to bribe me, and he said to me, right, I'll let you listen to some of the Lochies if you end up doing the Easterchan for me. So a huge influence on me was Angus MacMillan and his guitar playing, which was, I suppose, like the Tom Paxton of Gaeldom. And, that was a huge influence. And then after that, we had the Organy, who really ended up doing great things with the talent of the fantastic Murdo McFarlane. This is one of his songs. Fabishnachgus roi o hua, abe kanik ya fluid vonye, abe nishgus en allen nunier, aching alle blian vonjes, latulio stokkes vrij, kanan mor heets moloi, he cooking he korum gushier, kusung leichin am kanan am fein, he cooking he korum gushier, kusung leichin am kanan am yel, for the noise gain a kaiglar an or, sound kanan the kailan kalkir, was it so as at the show matter abroad, they are a show kanan again, shesheto yonat urna, has the pure kanan again, he cooking he korum gushia, kusung leichin am kanan am fe, he cooking he korum gushia, kusung leichin am kanan yel, get hekile be asniklani, get scalm in you colonier small. I do the kaif at the tour, kure kudramot kernamo, gay against the helan and she'll has down here kain he cooking he korum gishia, kusung leichin am kanan am fe, he cooking he korum gishia, kusung leichin am kanan yel, shemekila hukresh rchail, sunuai sokt van galik nachmi, agus gashkach a brastig sa var, gwek me bachos tri, o yel kajin yak boy, aput as kanan shi, he cooking he korum gushia, kusung leichin am kanan fe, he cooking he korum gushia, kusung leichin am kanan yel. Let's sing it together. He cooking he korum gushia, kusung leichin am kanan am fe, he cooking he korum gushia, kusung leichin am kanan yel. Yeah, so what do you think? Wait, I've got loads of other songs, by the way, but I think probably that's enough. I tell you what I'll do. Let me have a wee look at what the next 3 songs I had planned to do were, and we'll pick one of them. Okay. Now the 3 songs that I had was Harvest Moon by Neil Young, She Thinks I Still Care by Bobby Bear, and Anatrach Guard. What do you think? Which one will we go for? Will we finish off with a Gaelic one, or will we do a country one? Let's see who comes up first with the first suggestion. Play them all on. Are you kidding? Play them all. All right, I tell you what. What I'll do is I'll add She Thinks I Still Care and Harvest Moon to the next concert. Kenneth Wilson, She Still Care. Oh, what do you think? All of them. Well, I tell you what, let me finish off with an Athroch Guard, a good Gaelic song. Neil Young, yeah. I like them all. But we can only have one because look at the time. It's nearly 11 o'clock. Okay, let's see how I get on once I've done that record. Might have some more left in me. I think that's a wee bit low. Let me put it up a wee bit. I think so. Another good going for Okay, Nathroch Guard. All right, let's do one more. Right. There was quite a few people who wanted me to finish off with a Neil Young song. It's a great song, this. I'll have to change my harmonica. Okay, now, need to make sure that I put the right harmonica on this time. Okay, let's see if I can do this. Okay, whoever asked for Neil Young, let's do it. Let me pick my other guitar up now. Okay. Come a little bit closer, hear what I have to say. Just like children sleeping Let's go dancing in the light. I know where the music's playing. Let's go out and feel the night. Because I'm still in love with you. I wanna see you dance again. Because I'm still in love with you. On this harvest moon. When we were strangers, I watched you from afar. When we were lovers, I loved you with all my heart. But it's getting late, and the moon is climbing high. I wanna celebrate, see it shining in your eyes. Because I'm still in love with you. I wanna see you dance again. Because I'm still in love with you. On this harvest moon. Because I'm still in love with you. I wanna see you dance again. Because I'm still in love with you. On this harvest moon. Harvest moon. Okay, no charges for the mistakes, but I'm sure you'll forgive me because it's getting late in the night. That's a lovely song to finish off with. And hope you all enjoyed tonight's Kaylee. And as I said, hope that you'll join next Friday with whoever it is that's going to be here. It's going to be a great night. And thanks so much for supporting it. I hope you had an enjoyable evening and stay safe. And until we meet again, Chula Bianach. Bye.